Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Top 8 ways to boost your Ramadan spirit this year. Dua. Ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make this the most awesome, spiritually uplifting Ramadan you have ever had, inshallah. Quiet your mind. Turn off the TV, internet, cell phone and laptops. Find a quiet place, close your eyes and connect with Allah. Learn about great Muslims. Even if you have read it before, read or listen to a story of a companion daily. This is a wonderful way to see how other Muslims retain their strength of faith against incredible odds. Connect to the Quran. This Ramadan, connect to the Quran in a new way. You can choose a new theme to focus on or select a surah you haven't read. Take care of others. Make an extra effort this Ramadan to help others out, inshallah. Feed the hungry. Make a couple of bag lunches or Ramadan kit to give it to the hungry you meet on your way. Give up one lifelong bad habit. Use this Ramadan to put an end to a bad habit. Then, inshallah, you will look back and be amazed at what a change you have made for the better. Use the nights of Laylatul Qadr. Whoever stands in prayer in Laylatul Qadr out of faith and seeking reward, then his previous sins are forgiven. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.